Hi guys, welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. In the previous video, we learned how to add a Flexbox. Now it's time to make it work for you. Managing and customizing these containers is the key to building high-end responsive designs that look intentional. So let's get to it. Once you have elements inside your Flexbox, managing them is super easy. Want to change the order of your Flexbox? You don't need to drag and drop everything manually. Just select a Flexbox and then you can move it using the arrow buttons right over here. And it'll automatically adjust for you. The arrow buttons that you'll see here, by the way, would depend on whether you have the horizontal view of your Flexbox or the vertical layout. And to manage a certain item, click on a certain Flexbox, click on the three dot button here, and manage it according to the options that you have here on the drop-down menu. For more customization options, you can also go to the inspector panel, which you can open by clicking on this arrow button on the top right. And here you can fine tune your selected elements, size, design, layout, position, and so much more. So feel free to manage and customize your Flexbox as well as its items according to your needs and preferences. That's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.